Welcome to this lesson on common aliases in PowerShell. Aliases are shortcut names that make working with PowerShell faster and more intuitive. If you're coming from Command Prompt or Linux, you'll recognize many of these familiar shortcuts. In this video, we'll explore the most commonly used aliases and how they map to PowerShell cmdlets. So what exactly are aliases? Aliases are shortcut names for PowerShell cmdlets that make commands faster to type and more familiar. Instead of typing long cmdlet names like Get-ChildItem, you can simply type ls. PowerShell recognizes the alias and executes the full cmdlet behind the scenes. This makes PowerShell more accessible, especially if you're transitioning from other command line environments. Let's start with one of the most popular aliases, ls. If you've used Linux or Mac terminals, you're already familiar with ls for listing directory contents. In PowerShell, ls is an alias for Get-ChildItem. When you type ls, PowerShell actually runs Get-ChildItem, which displays all the files and folders in your current directory. It's the exact same command, just shorter to type. For those coming from Windows Command Prompt, you might prefer dir instead of ls. Good news. dir also works in PowerShell. Just like ls, dir is an alias for Get-ChildItem. PowerShell includes aliases from both Windows and Unix worlds, so whether you type ls or dir, you'll get the same result. This flexibility makes PowerShell comfortable for users from different backgrounds. Another essential alias is cd, which stands for change directory. In PowerShell, cd is an alias for set-location. When you want to navigate to a different folder, you simply type cd followed by the path. For example, cd documents takes you to your documents folder. This alias works exactly like it does in Command Prompt and Linux, making navigation feel natural and intuitive. PowerShell includes many more useful aliases. pwd, which stands for print working directory, is an alias for Get-Location. It shows you your current directory path. Copy is an alias for copy-item, which copies files and folders. Move is an alias for move-item, used to move or rename items. And del is an alias for remove-item, which deletes files and folders. These aliases make common file operations quick and easy. PowerShell provides built-in commands to explore aliases. To see all available aliases in your system, simply run get-alias. This displays a complete list of every alias and its corresponding cmdlet. If you want to find out what cmdlet a specific alias refers to, use get-alias followed by the alias name. For example, get-alias ls will confirm that ls maps to Get-ChildItem. This is incredibly helpful when you encounter an unfamiliar alias. Here's an important best practice to remember. While aliases are great for interactive use at the command line, you should use full cmdlet names in scripts. Why? Because scripts are meant to be read and maintained by others, and full cmdlet names make your code much clearer and more professional. Aliases are personal shortcuts that save you time during interactive sessions, but in scripts, clarity trumps brevity. Always prioritize readability in your PowerShell scripts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.